An immigration judge has ordered Mahmoud Khalil, a former Columbia University student and prominent pro-Palestinian protest leader, to be deported to either Syria or Algeria. The ruling comes after months of legal proceedings, and his lawyers say they plan to appeal. Here's what we know so far.
Khalil is a legal U.S. resident and a former Columbia student who became a well-known figure during pro-Palestinian protests on campus. He spent more than 3 months in immigration detention earlier this year after clashing with the Trump administration over his immigration status. On September 12, immigration judge Jamie Comins ruled that Khalil had misrepresented material facts on his green card application. In her decision, the judge wrote that the misrepresentation was made for the sole purpose of circumventing the immigration process. She denied a waiver that would have allowed Khalil to stay in the U.S. Khalil's legal team, including the ACLU, called the charges baseless and pretextual, saying they were added after his detention. Khalil himself issued a statement accusing the Trump administration of retaliation for his activism, calling the process a kangaroo immigration court. His lawyers filed notice of appeal shortly after the ruling.
So what happens now? Khalil's attorneys will appeal to the Board of Immigration Appeals, which reviews immigration judge decisions. From there, cases can move into the federal court system. Until appeals are resolved, deportation orders are typically not enforced.
Khalil's case is part of a broader debate over immigration enforcement under the Trump administration. His lawyers argue that the government targeted him after his activism. The administration has maintained that the case is about immigration law and misrepresentation on official applications. If the deportation order is upheld, Khalil could be sent to either Syria or Algeria, depending on which country will accept him. Khalil has said he intends to continue his activism regardless of the outcome. The case has sparked strong reactions from supporters, who view the ruling as politically motivated, and from critics, who argue the law should apply evenly regardless of political beliefs. Immigration cases involving high-profile activists often draw widespread attention and debate.
Mahmoud Khalil's deportation case is far from over. With an appeal now in motion, it may be months before the courts deliver a final decision. We'll continue to follow developments. For now, the ruling underscores just how contentious and closely watched immigration law can be when activism and politics intersect.